morning. My guest from
Bless you.
Jalan-jalan.
Yes, jalan-jalan.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Okay. So yun, good morning mga gar. What a good day. May guest nga pala tayo, came from Malaysia. Patingnan nyo mukhang mga Muslim lang na Pinoy. Magkapatid yan. Yan, ayan sila. Walang swerte, lahat kilos yon. Sabi nga ni Omar B, alam mo na walang iba, the artist. What a good day. Happy Souls Day sa lahat. Mag-iingat po kayo. Let's go. So yun, yung bag ng guest ko, wala nang laman na wallet or cellphone, wala nang importante. Ilalagay natin yan sa Lamborghini compartment. Ilahin mo yan, tol, yung bilog. Ilahin mo. Wait, ma'am. Oh, very nice. Okay. Very safe. Okay, ma'am, watch your head. Lamborghini is Filipino size. Gitna mo to lang. Gitna mo. So, we gonna take a photo here. Yes. Intra means inside. Muros means wall. Inside the wall. Yes. This is the oldest city in Manila. I borrow your phone because I'll be your photographer. Photographer, tour guide, bodyguard. Okay. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Shantik.
May mala, kinabayo.
Watch your head. Lamborghini, Filipino size. So that University City of Manila or pamantasan ng lungsod ng Manila is number 1 in Manila with the course of medicine. But you need to maintain a higher grade to study inside. Must be living in Manila. That's their priority. Yes. Right side is sample of bahay na bato. One of the 7 church before inside Intramuros, Lourdes Church. 1891, but everything ended 1945. Second World War. So, bahay na bato, the bottom was made by stone, the top was made by wood. So when earthquake hit the building, not totally destroyed.
Oh, okay.
Because the top was made in light materials. So, at the right side, are you familiar with the one who bring 2 gold medals in the Philippines? In Paris Olympics? That's my classmate.
Yeah?
Carlos Yulo. Yeah, he's living in Malate. The golden boy. Yeah.
Hi, good morning, Filipina.
Yeah, my guess look like Filipina but they came
The
from
same race la.
same payong.
Yes, same payong.
Lato-lato.
Lato-lato.
Lato-lato. Yeah, we are same but 1, 2, 3 is 1, 2, 3 in.
Abang, kakak is the same, right?
Abang kakak,
Abang, mama.
mama, mama, papa, okay. Okay. So ma'am, this one. So yun, pinagkatiwala na sa akin naman yung cellphone niya. I hold this. Okay. Pakitaan na natin ng Spider-Man photography yan mga gar para madiin yung mga kuha natin ng pic. Siyempre Justin Bieber nga eh, ba't nagtataka ka pa? One more. 1, 2, 3. Solo.
Babalik tayo kay Lola.
1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, one of the place, ma'am, that we need to pay ticket. 75 pesos. Tower used to be, that is the first floor of the 3-floor tower. But it was destroyed by British attack.
Oh.
during 1762. Tower used to be defense to the bayside of Intramuros. So yun. Ito kami sa Desierto, Gar. Wala kaming kasama. Sobrang init. That golf course surrounded in Intramuros got 18 holes.
Oh,
Yes. Intramuros Golf Club. Experience in our tour.
very good, very nice, amazing.
Good photography.
Yeah, of course. That was
Can you
number
say
one.
all goods in the hoods?
All good in the hood.
Yeah!